Hi guys, Stan Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I got happy mail. So this is an incoming from Toni, and I'm so excited. This is some birthday mail, as you can tell by the card. And you know what? It kind of made me smile because I haven't seen Carousel in like what feels like forever. So this is really nice. I love it. And you know what? I have to say, you have a skill, Toni, to squeeze in like yumminess into like the tightest little spots. So thank you, boo. I really appreciate you thinking of me. And yeah, let's get into this. Oh, I love how you put like the little glitter on there. I'm sorry for oh no, you did it. She gave me a gift card. Thank you. Thank you, Toni. So this is really a sweet card, and let's see what's inside. So I'm just gonna push this aside. Ooh, oh, this is the pink foam you showed. Yes. Thank you for sharing. Love that. And we are gonna, you, look at this. Oh, I think I broke that one. Girl, you got this in tight. Okay, all right, I managed to take something out. So I love this little tissue paper. Ooh, Barely Arts. Yay. You know what? I think I only had this once, but I've never had the fine tip little whatever, so I'm excited about that. Thank you. And you can never go wrong with glue. Let's see what's in here. She gave me the huge jumbo rolls, and these are so, you know what, I still love this so much because this is like useful stuff, right? Useful stuff that I love, and I love the pink. Yay! Thank you. And then let's see what's in here. Oh, how adorable is this? I'm gonna save all that shred. This is the new KS Crafts Santa bag box. Just got a little mangled because you got it in so tight. But I was wondering what was jingling in the bag. I was like, what is that jingling? And here it is. Oh, I love the use of the little fuzzy. I use fuzzy trim too, but yours is way fuzzier. I love it. And your little poinsettia and the two little jingle bells. So cute. I love this. I love this font too, and this paper is adorable. So that's that. You're so good about stitching. I just like gave up on stitching. It just requires so much extra time, especially when you're crafting. And then she gifted me a pair of fuzzy socks. Oh, I love these. These are so pretty. And you know what? I've been kind of obsessed with gingerbreads this year. So yeah, I'm really thankful. Thank you, Toni, for all of the really thoughtful, useful presents and little shopping treat for me as well. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.